Now the topic is applications of Newton's second law of motion. A cricket player moves his hands backward while catching a fast moving ball. Why it happens? See here, because it increases the time for the action of the impact of the force. The player brings his hands in backward direction to increase the impact of the time of the force. Now it will be more clear from here, from this expression. You know that force is directly proportional to P2 minus P1 upon T from the Newton's second law of motion. It means that force is inversely proportional to T. Why I have written 1 here? I have written 1 to show that force is inversely proportional to T. It means that when force increases, then the time decreases. If the time decreases, or I can say if time decreases, then the impact of force increases. And if the time increases, then the impact of force decreases. It means that by increasing the time, we can reduce the impact of force on the hands of the cricket player. So the harm on the cricket player hands will be less. See here, this implies that harm on hands of player due to fast moving ball will decrease. Now the second is, during athletics meet, athletes doing high jump and long jump land on foam or a heap of sand. To decrease the force on the body, and landing is complete and comfortable with some reason as mentioned above, because by increasing the time, the impact of force decreases, because foam is used to increase the time for the impact of force. The next is Newton's first law from the second law. This is the next topic, that is Newton's first law from the second law. Now if F is force applied on the object and m is mass of the object, a is acceleration produced in the